Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another day in my life. I have mentioned this so many times, but I love making these videos and just capturing the beauty in my life that I see throughout the day. Everything that I wear, that sounds funny, but it's true. The food that I eat, the places I go, and I've been having such a great time sharing these. This series is fairly new to my channel, and if you've missed my other videos, now you know they're there. You can go check them out. Also, please consider sharing my channel with other people that are also pursuing peace and holistic living in their life. So with that being said, let's hop right in. So first off, guys, say hello to my new favorite sweatshirt. I recently ordered this from Urban Outfitters and I love it. Not only because it's so cozy, but I'm definitely feeling the tie-dye vibes. And also on this day, I was going out to lunch with Shayna and a couple of friends that I worked with back when I lived in LA. So Shayna came over and I made her do the outfit of the day. So on our way to get food, we saw Amelia's flower truck. I've shown this flower truck on my channel before. It's really well known around Nashville, and their styling of their flowers is just beautiful. So we went to Bar Taco on this day. I've mentioned Bar Taco quite a few times. They have probably my favorite tacos of like any Mexican restaurant ever because they're so unique, especially their vegetarian tacos. I got my favorite tacos, which are the cauliflower tacos and the falafel tacos, and they were just so good. And we basically just hung out and caught up. I haven't seen these girls in a while. And if you've been following my channel for some time, you know that Shelby, which is the blonde girl sitting next to me, we used to work on a channel together called Just Like That. It was a sketch channel. We created a lot of really fun memories and fun content together. I saw this pup and, you know, what's more peaceful than cute puppies? Also, I realize that it is very extra when I get these shots. I like make everyone back up and set the camera down, but it's worth the extra work, right guys? Gotta get those shots. Shayna and her husband Isaac moved to Nashville about a year after Dan and I moved here. Our silliness is definitely cut from the same cloth. Her husband jokes that like we have the same extremely silly sense of humor, and so when we get together, we just go off on silly tangents. Side note, I've wanted to show this train track so many times, how it looks like it's out of a storybook. Maybe I'm just easily impressed, but so pretty. Okay, so this was like the crazy news of the day, but Shayna's husband, Isaac, texted Shayna this video of a stray dog that he found that had no collar on it. So Isaac brought the puppy over to our house and she got to play a little bit with Zoe. Now Zoe's got a little bit of an attitude, so she really didn't want to play. She kind of wanted to attack her, which was a little weird, but you guys know, Zoe is definitely a special kind of dog. But I just had to get this footage because how cute is she fluffing through the plants and oh, so cute. So this dog did end up having a chip in her, and so they returned her to her owner. But it was a fun little afternoon with an adorable pup. So a bunch of you asked for me to talk about this in my recent day in my life videos, and I am so excited to have this indoor bike. I have to tell you, I did quite a bit of research and looked at a bunch of different bikes on the market, and I ended up going with this one, which I will have linked down below because guys, it is incredible. It's a super affordable bike, and it's also crazy sturdy. Like I couldn't believe that a bike this price would be so sturdy. Anyone could use it. Dan actually installed a hook for me on the base so that I could set my iPad on there moving forward, so I could watch cycling classes or videos or whatever my little heart desires. So once I was done cycling, I made my way downstairs to make dinner, and as you can see, it kind of just turned into one of those like hodgepodge plates where I just took a bunch of different items from my fridge. that I had made like leftovers, and I just scooped it on the plate, and it was incredible. I moaned the entire time. So I had leftover coleslaw, some leftover green beans, a fried egg, steamed potatoes, chopped up tomatoes with lots of pepper and a little bit of salt, and some shaved Parmesan cheese on top. Oh, by the way, the sauce on the potatoes is my lemon garlic aioli recipe. And then of course I had to cut a bowl of oranges. Skipping ahead, this is kind of a weird way to end this video, but I ended up having these gluten-free double chocolate cookies, and they are amazing. If you've never tried them before, I highly recommend them. So I know this video is shorter, but I hope you guys still liked it. I want to have the freedom to make these videos, sometimes long, sometimes shorter. I feel like you guys like seeing them either way. So let me know if you still want to see the videos when they're this short. And per the usual, don't forget to check my info box, because I am continuing to do semi-secret, not so secret because I tell you guys, giveaways where I'm just giving away mystery boxes and essential oils to say thank you for all of your support. And I just love this community that we have built and are continuing to build. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will hopefully see you back here very soon with another new video. All right, bye guys.